In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade on Dex Screener. This platform is a powerful tool for finding and analyzing tokens, but remember, the actual trading happens on decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, like Uniswap, Raydium, or PancakeSwap. Dex Screener allows you to connect directly to these exchanges right from your crypto wallet. This means you can jump straight to the action without any extra steps. Let's get started. First, go to Dex Screener and search for the token or trading pair you want. When you arrive at the site, you will see a search bar prominently displayed at the top. Enter the name of the token or the trading pair you're interested in. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar, helping you find what you're looking for quickly. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your trading journey. You want to ensure you're looking at the correct token, as many tokens can have similar names. Once you locate the right token, you are ready to move on. Next, open the tokens page and review its chart, liquidity, trading volume, and recent transactions. This page provides vital information about the token's performance. The chart gives you a visual representation of price movements over time, while liquidity indicates how easily you can buy or sell the token. Trading volume shows how much of the token has been traded recently, and recent transactions provide insight into market activity. Understanding these elements is essential because they help you make informed decisions. You want to assess whether this token fits your trading strategy. Once that is done, click Trade, Buy, or Trade on the DX name in the lower right corner. This button will guide you to the trading interface of the specific decentralized exchange. Here, you have a clear path to execute your trade. It's important to click the correct button because it connects you to the right trading platform for the token you've selected. You will see a new interface pop up, ready for your trading actions. From there, connect your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask, Phantom, or Trust Wallet. You will see options to select your wallet, and clicking on one will prompt you to log in or authorize the connection. This step is crucial because it allows your wallet to interact with the DX and facilitate your transactions. After allowing the connection, you will see a confirmation message. This reassures you that your wallet is now linked and ready to trade. Now, enter the amount you want to buy or sell. A field will appear where you can type in your desired amount. Be careful to enter the correct figures, as this will affect your overall investment. If you're buying, consider how much of the token you want in relation to your budget. If selling, think about the current market price and your desired profit. This is a key moment because it determines the size of your trade. Next up, review the network fees and slippage settings. Network fees are the costs associated with processing your transaction on the blockchain, while slippage refers to the difference between the expected price of a trade and the actual price. Make sure to check both settings carefully. Adjusting these can save you money in fees and ensure your trade executes as intended. It's a small but significant step that can greatly impact your trading experience, so take your time here. After that, confirm the transaction in your wallet. A notification will pop up in your wallet application asking for confirmation. This is your last chance to review everything before the trade goes through. Once you confirm, the trade will be executed on the selected decentralized exchange. This step is vital because it finalizes your action and puts your strategy into motion. Before trading, make sure that you have enough cryptocurrency in your wallet to pay both for the token and the network fees. This ensures that your transaction can be completed without any hiccups. Also, verify that you are on the correct blockchain network, whether it be Solana, Ethereum, or BNB chain. Lastly, you should verify the token address to avoid scams and fake tokens. Dex Screener automatically lists tokens once they have liquidity and trading activity, but not every token is trustworthy. This precaution protects your investment and helps you trade confidently. Many experienced users treat Dex Screener as a research tool rather than a trading platform. This is especially true for highly volatile tokens like meme coins, which can move very quickly. Now you are equipped to navigate Dex Screener and execute trades effectively. Happy trading!